Grid Darko.
I've been up for a whole day. Must have been hit from behind. I didn't even see it. I didn't even know what it looked like. Wonder where it went. Wonder what happened that night. What did it do? Ah! 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 Boy, no. Ah! Ah! No. No. Ah. My sword. It's broken. Ah. What you find, boy?
Zach, I think we need immediate decontamination in the area. Go black. Yeah, call in an airstrike.
I read you loud and clear. I'll send one in immediately. Get out of the area. I repeat, get out of the area. Over. We need an airstrike. Yeah, immediately. Okay. On Alex's position. I'll be there. Bye. Mission complete.
Bloopers!
Bloopers! Bloopers!
Zach, man, we gotta go black in this joint.
Dude, turn on the light. It's too dark in here.
I can't find the switch.
Come on, man. We have to have light. It's way too dark.
Bro, it's so dark. Turn it on.
Seriously, I can't find the switch.
It's right there.
Dude, it's right there. Dude, plug it in.
I can't find it. No, the plug, man. You have to have power to turn on the light.
Wow.
Oh wait, no, the cap's on. My bad. No, seriously, guys. Seriously, we can even hear you from over here in the video. Can you be quiet for 10 seconds? Guys, seriously, okay? Mommy. Okay, then please be quiet. Okay, you ready? Okay, I hope you guys liked that video. It was pretty fun making it. That's part 2. We concluded the unknown noise. You figured out what it was. And not going nowhere, bro. Alright, so now I should leave you with Legos doing Lego things.